Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of Sparkflows running on Google Cloud Platform. So this is the Spark dashboard, and the first thing that we are going to do is configure Sparkflows to leverage the Dataproc or the Hadoop Spark engine running on Google Cloud Platform. So first let's go to the administration sections, click on global connections, and we can see that there is already a connection that is made available for you. So let's quickly check it out what we need to do. So in this case we are going to choose a credential store as do not store the credential store, and then the connection type is going to be Dataproc, and there are a bunch of connections that we can do, but in this case we are just going to connect to the Dataproc running on the Google Cloud Platform. And over here we are going to just provide the connection name, the postback URL depending upon which is where is your Sparkflows running on, give it a title, and the Dataproc we are going to just upload the Spark file dependency jar which is made available in the binary that is that can be retrieved from the tar file, and then we provide the project ID, the region where the Dataproc is running, the cluster name, and this is by default selected. Now let's go to the clusters that are available in the Google Dataproc. So this is one cluster which we are running right now for the purpose of demo, and we have configured it to be used in the Sparkflows for running all the analytical apps. So now that we have the connections ready, let's go ahead and execute one of the workflow. So we have set up a simple project which has a couple of workflows pertaining to reading GCS and working with BigQuery. Let's open one of them. So this is going to open the workflow wizard, and we can just explore the data by clicking on the play button of the BigQuery, and we can see the data over here. Now let's execute the job. So you can see that it has generated a Dataproc job ID, and we can track that right from this particular dashboard, which is the execution dashboard. And at the same time we can also go to the cluster jobs, click on the job section, and this is going to refresh and view again, and we can see the job is starting. So we'll just click on it to see more details about the execution, and here we can see all the logs being spit out on the console, and we can also see all the progress right from those Sparkflows execution page. So we have the execution successful, and we can also see the same status to be updated in the job page of the Dataproc. So this way we can run the workflow jobs on the Dataproc engine.